Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, in this occasion, we would like to presenting our presentation titled Hospital Funding System by Crowdfunding Website. The author of this study is Dr. Firman Pribadi SEMSI from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta, Postgraduate Program Master of Hospital Administration. The introduction of the study: healthcare is a very capital-intensive business, and access to source of financing, which is essential to keep operational activities. Some hospitals are able to generate a sufficient cash flow amount from their operational revenues. On the other hand, for the small revenue hospital that cannot cover its development plan or operational activities, access to capital becomes more important. Their competitiveness will depend on funding resources with low cost. Based on the description, there is an apparent problem faced by hospitals in accessing the fund. In accordance with the development of ICT, currently there are many technology-based crowdfunding platforms. The purpose of the study: first, to find out how far the head of the hospital knows about crowdfunding. The second one is to find out how many respondents are interested in being involved in using crowdfunding if Muhammadiyah makes crowdfunding as a source of funding for its health services. Because actually Muhammadiyah has a vital funding source, but not an wholly organized. Therefore, a grid system is needed to maintain the Muhammadiyah organization goals. The next is literature review. Moritz and Bloch 2016 present an overview of crowdfunding academic research for all types of crowdfunding. First, crowdfunding literature with a focus on capital seeker. Crowdfunding literature that focus on capital seeker pay close attention to crowdfunding motivation, determinants of success, and the legal limitation of equity-based crowdfunding. Several research related to capital seeker can be seen below. Second, crowdfunding literature with a focus on provider of capital. The behavior of capital providers is critical to crowdfunding accomplishment. Scientific research mainly focus on the motive of capital providers to play in crowdfunding, and the factors that influence the investment decision can be seen in the following studies. Third, crowdfunding literature with a focus on mediators platform. A mediator on the transaction and crowdfunding involvement offers many advantages for the fund seeker and provider. Besides the process standard, the platform also acts as an information gate, communication, and execution. Through that, we could decrease the asymmetry of information and the risk involved in the party participation. The discussion. This research is a survey research. By distributing online questionnaires, which are distributed to all respondents who work in hospitals throughout Indonesia in the form of open and closed questions via Google Form. From this questionnaire, we get the following data. There are 4 characteristics of respondents observed in this study. The first is gender, the second age, following length of work, and position at work. Characteristic based on gender. Judging from the table above, gender in this study dominates women with a total of 74 respondents with 55.2% compared to 60 male respondents with 44.8%. Characteristic based on age. The majority of the age of the respondents were aged 31 until 40 years with 43 respondents or about 32.1%. Next respondent aged 41 until 50 years with 38 respondents or about 28.4%. The third age of 51 until 60 years with 27 respondents or about 20.1%. Followed by 23 respondents aged 21 until 30 years old or about 70.2%, and the last 3 respondents aged 61 until 70 years with 2.2%. Characteristic based on length of work. There are 53 respondents who have worked for 11 years and above, or around 39.5%. Then, 46 respondents who have worked for 2 until 5 years, or around 34.3%. 24 respondents work for 6 until 10 years with 18%, and 9 respondents or around 6.7% who have worked less than 2 years. Then the last is 2 respondents who do not provide information on how long they have been working. Characteristic based on position. Based on the table above, the most position of this research is work as hospital director with 53 respondents or around 40%, then followed by the head of division with 38 respondents or around 28.3%, then followed by the general practitioners with 17 respondents or around 12.7%. Next, medical specialists and employees with 8 respondents or around 6%. Then dentists about 4 respondents or around 3%, the nurse with 3 respondents or around 2%, and the last is empty about 3 respondents or 3%. The knowledge about crowdfunding. Only 10% who answer yes I ever or currently using a crowdfunding from platform in Indonesia. Only 38% who answer yes I have heard about crowdfunding from other people's explanation or other media such as internet but have never been in touch. There are 52% who answer no I am new to crowdfunding after reading the explanation above. Crowdfunding platforms that ever used. Regarding to the statement if you have used or currently use a crowdfunding platform in Indonesia, state the name of the crowdfunding platform that has been or is currently being used. Several respondents answer kitabisa.com with 6 respondents, 5 respondents answering Lazismu, and 2 respondents using ACT. The role of the respondent in crowdfunding platform. There are 46% of the respondents using the platform as the seeker of fund. There are 20% of respondents who answering as the providers of fund. Therefore, there are 34% of respondents who answering seekers and providers of fund. The current source of hospital operational funding and investment. The top 3 of source of hospital operational funding and investment are from banks with 26 respondents, followed by the hospital operation with 22 respondents, and then the foundation with 14 respondents. Desire to be involved in crowdfunding Muhammadiyah. Regarding to the question if Muhammadiyah established this crowdfunding, would you be willing to be involved? There are 98 or 73% respondent answered yes. There are 36 or 27% respondent answered no. Desire to involve in crowdfunding Muhammadiyah. Regarding to the question if Muhammadiyah established this crowdfunding, would you prefer to use this Muhammadiyah crowdfunding fund or would you prefer to borrow from a bank? Could be with reason why choose one of them. There are 12 or 10% respondent choose a bank. There are 1 or 1% respondent choose both. There are 8 or 6% respondent choose not to choose. There are 113 or 83% respondent choose crowdfunding Muhammadiyah for reasons of procedures and system. The desired form of crowdfunding. Regarding to the question if Muhammadiyah makes a crowdfunding funding system, what form of crowdfunding do you want? There are 57 or 42.5% respondents answer based on equity or shares. There are 56 or 40.3% respondents answer based on donation. There are 12 or 8.2% respondents answer based on debt. There are 1 or 1.5% respondents answer based on KSO. The summary of the research. Majority of the respondents who come from hospital leader are not familiar with crowdfunding as source of funding for health services. Only 10% or a small part of them have ever been involved with the crowdfunding platform. The majority or 85% of respondents are willing to be involved in the Muhammadiyah crowdfunding platform if the Muhammadiyah organization forms a crowdfunding platform. The crowdfunding platform is beneficial for Muhammadiyah for the development of dakwah in this health sector because all of this time, many hospitals in Muhammadiyah environment are still experiencing difficulties in funding sources for their health services. The reference of the study can be seen above. That's all from our presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.